Eddas Technologies internal files. Authorized access. Decryption progress 100%. As the leader in military power across the solar system, Eddas Technologies continues to expand its influence, providing unmatched tactical support to all factions. Asgard, the pinnacle of tactical engineering. Its design integrates advanced systems and exceptional performance, offering the best solution for future battlefields. Every detail of the Asgard mech is tailored for high-intensity combat environments. Combined with Eddas Technologies' cutting-edge materials and structural engineering, it boasts unparalleled structural integrity. Asgard can be modularly equipped according to mission needs, ensuring operational success. Precision strikes, fully adaptable to multi-environment combat. Asgard's weapon systems provide devastating force on any battlefield. Asgard, the symbol of fearless power. Crafted by Eddas Technologies,